What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today. This a big one. A reveal. Big DOLO, man. I'm gonna finally show y'all what kind of time this joker put down in the road on these 26s. I'm doing it in the road because, trust me, it's a night and day difference between what y'all about to see now versus when it's at the track on a sticky surface. And I think common sense would know that it's a night and day difference in the time, I should say that, on what it runs. So we're gonna do a motor hit. I'm still battling the injury, man. It getting better. It been 3 days or something. I know y'all probably can't tell, I'm kind of leaning while I'm propped up against the car cause standing up a long time and kind of a battle and stuff. But it is getting better. I am getting better. It's a lot better than what it was, but you know, it's a uphill battle. So that we about to do. I'm about to set this joker up. It's already set up, but we're gonna get in it. And who knows, what y'all see right now might not even be the fastest pass it ever ran. Cause it's with this car, it's consistent within a 2-3 tenths, but I could go faster, I could go slower too. But it's some good air today. It's not a lot of moisture and stuff in the air, so they're good. It's just dry, good lukewarm air. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. Wife gonna catch the outside footage, and then I'm gonna finally reveal the time to y'all and show y'all what this thing do, man, on motor. So y'all just stay tuned. Put your comments below. Put your guesses on what y'all think it do in the road, man, on these 26. And then y'all stay tuned. All right, got this nag set up. Got the tire pressure set. Let's see. Oh boy, man. Whew. Slow motion, y'all. Slow motion. Let me take this out before it sling out. Oh my bad, y'all. Crank it up, let it warm up some, and then we going to Mexico. It should fire right off. Let me see. Good on the gas. Yeah. Let it warm up some. Put that number down. Hopefully the number it put down be the best it ever did. Show y'all. Be a good debut. Yeah, he's still talking. I plugged it. I'm talking to wifey, y'all. Yes indeed. I want to take Big Meats up the street too, y'all. Do y'all video on get it with the crack, but they're gonna hold up. I gotta drop it out next week, so I think it's next week. Let's see. 2 weeks. I ain't get some heat in it. Sounding good. I'm gonna go see if I can lay the law down. Injured and all. Then we'll go over them numbers. I'm finally gonna see, man. In the road, at least in the road. So y'all stay tuned. All systems are go. Hopefully, man, I can put down something good for y'all, better than what I've done before. Since it's a debut, word from Bill. Alright, y'all, we checking back in. Made it back, man. We did a little more antics too. Like I said, y'all follow my wife, man. Follow my wife on Facebook, Kendra Malcolm. Her YouTube channel, Days with Kendra, cause she mainly going to shorts now. Short stuff on her channel. That's her focus and stuff, short form content instead of the long form stuff. So y'all make sure y'all go subscribe, cause she be doing all type of stuff too, turn up, workout stuff, all that. Cause she just turned this joke up, man. I'm a proud husband. She holding the fort down while I'm injured. She holding it down while I'm injured, man. She did a legit burnout. She getting better. I'm proud. But y'all saw that ain't the fastest for the record. I keep it honest with y'all. That's not the fastest DOLO has ever been in the road. It had been faster than that. But the first pass was an 8:39. Second pass y'all saw was an 8:41. With some damn good numbers now. Don't get me wrong. They're flying in the road on some 26s in a big body. On a hard tire, true hard tire, non-prep tire too, non-prep surface, no burnout, nothing. But it has been faster. That's not the all-time best that this car ever went in Mexico. So, it, like I said, but I'm revealing, I'm giving y'all some, man. I just feel like I owe y'all that. I've been holding off on the time and stuff for this car. But like I said, the track, it is a night and day difference on the prep surface on the track, cause the 60-foot way different. Cause if you go back and see, the 60-foot pretty high, 2.2 in the road, they're pretty high. When the 60-foot go down to the teens, like I said, it was a 2-teen, it'll knock 2/10 off, and then it'll been like an 18 or something like that. But it have been faster. It just depends on the day, the air, what the car want to do. It just all a lot of factors and stuff, man. If it was cool at night, cooler road, the engine and stuff do run better. But then, you know, you got the traction stuff and all that. But I give it to y'all when I used to test at night, and I used to go out there and I could do a burnout, because y'all never saw me do a burnout. Actually put some heat in the tires and then take off. It is different. The car go faster, but I don't do that no more. But y'all see it, man. That's some good numbers, man. 8:39 and an 8:41 in the road. That with no burnout. They're just pulling up, taking off. They're pretty good, man. They're pretty good. Never sprayed it in the road on the 6s, so who knows? Like I said, it'd be a lot to handle. And I still had a little wheel spin, which you should be able to hear on the camera. I had a little wheel spin and stuff, man. But all in all, Big DOLO did pretty good. It's on. Oh, excuse me, y'all. It's on the nitrous plugs and stuff, not motor plugs and all that right now. And I ordered some for this joker. I got some coming. I finally ordered anti-roll bar set up for this car in the double adjustable uppers and lowers for the car. So I'm gonna get this back suspension straight on DOLO. They should come in next week, but my bar getting powder coated, so that probably was the hold up. If I didn't get it powder coated, it might have been here now. So we finally have anti-roll bar coming for DOLO. And it is going to help it go faster, because it's going to improve the 60-foot. Because y'all know this car be cocking like that too. So it's going to keep it leaving straight. Plant the tires down and all that. And get the pinion angle straight, man. My rear end will start shifting side to side, because I don't know if people know. I've been noticing it for a long time. But my rear end does shift. It's because of the up and lower trailing arms. So we're going to have that problem fixed. And then you know, we'll get it right. Kendra, you bring me too. Yeah, man, I'm trying to close y'all out, but I really can't stand up long. I'm putting my weight on the car, man, but I'm trying to battle the injury, man. It's rough, but I've been in the house like 2 days, man. I said just trying to recover, taking it easy, but that don't mean stop when you get injured. Don't mean stop, man. I told wifey today, I said I can't just sit around today, man. I got to do something. I said I got to do something, man, cause you know you can't stop. Life don't stop. If people in worse situations, they have to battle stuff every day. That's how I look at it. You know, you're gonna have people. A lot of people say, "Take it easy, Jay. This and that," and I do. You know, I take it easy. I'm not putting stress on my back and my hip and stuff. I'm taking it easy, man. I'm slow rolling. But like I said, I just gotta keep moving, cause you know I don't wanna sit still too long, then stuff start locking up, and then when it really started hurting again and all that. And like I said, I wanna shout out to my wife and my kid. They've been helping. Y'all help a little bit. They don't be offering, but they do help, man, when I tell them to get some. But Kendra, she been a big help. Cause it is, man, it's a struggle. They I ain't never been injured. I never been injured weight training. So not being able to do certain stuff, like I can't really reach, you know, like extend on my left, cause that's what happened on my left side and stuff. And the whole time, like, I'm feeling stuff now, man. I'm feeling it right now on the side and all that. But I did go get checked for people wondering. We went the first day. I went and got checked. I got some checked out and everything. I didn't break nothing. But I did feel like I was about to pop my, it feel like my I think it's called your femur bone, if I'm remember right. But the long bone that go through your quad that connect to your hip socket, it feel like it popped, about to pop out, and it caught back in. But in the midst, it probably hit a nerve, and luckily it didn't pinch a nerve, cause I've been in that extreme pain right now. So I don't need an MRI right now, nothing. We just gonna take it, let the medicine take its course. I think I got 7 days worth. There's a certain order I got to take this stuff, and I'm gonna see how I'm feeling. But right now it's on the uphill. It's on the uphill. I'm way better than what, 2 days ago? When it happened? 2 days ago? Friday. Tuesday. Yeah, it happened Tuesday. So I'm a lot better than what I was. I am moving a lot better, but I don't have my full mobility. Cause like I still been training. We still worked out. She just helped me up and off the bench and stuff like that if I gotta lay down. And I noticed today, like my legs, you know, laying on the bench, I used to put my feet on the ground. I can't even put my feet on the ground cause my leg mobility not there. I start feeling pain if I try to bend my leg too far. So I have to do it with my legs up and let it stay pure upper body. But I don't feel no pain handling weights upper body and stuff. It's just not putting strain on your legs and all that. But man, we on the uphill, man. It is frustrating. Like I told wifey this morning, man. You know, I got my mood got kind of down toward the end of the workout. Cause like, man, it frustrated, man. It just, you know, basically when I noticed I couldn't put my feet down on the ground, I was like, man, I can't even put my feet on the ground. You know, I ain't never been like that. I ain't never been immobile where I couldn't do certain stuff. And y'all know I like to stay active. Like wife in those days, it been pretty. Man, I'd be outside, I'd be done vlog and did whatever, and I'd just be sitting out there sitting on the bench where she's sitting at now, just enjoying the weather. And you know, we'll just be out here kicking it. But man, it just rough. I just like to be transparent with y'all cause it's real everyday stuff and human, and you know, we human and did what you go through. I don't like to get online. I don't like getting online and acting like something I'm not. Oh, you talking about that wall? Man, look, way back, boy. But anyway, man, I'm sorry to be killing the mood, but I'm just telling y'all what it is, man, with real life. I'm always keep it real. With my trials and stuff and tribulations, I'm gonna keep it real. But we're gonna get it. Hopefully, within the next 3-4 more days, man, I'll be walking even better and standing up longer. And, you know, keeping it moving. But yeah, y'all see the times. Big Dolo, he put it down. And we finna cover this nag up cause it look like it finna rain. We finna shoot some skits. And y'all, like I said, y'all gotta follow wifey page, man. Her Instagram too, Days with Kendra. Cause she been putting up some skits. We got her own set of skits and stuff too, man. It's funny. So yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.